Hello everyone, welcome to another little video. This is, as I'm sure you're all aware, an ammo box. And I bought this ammo box, I must have had it kicking around for 2 or 3 years. Ready there. So, I've seen stuff on YouTube, people make them into fireboxes. I don't actually want to do that. What I want to do is make a grab and go kitchen box, I think. So obviously that'll be bolted on the side. I've seen that. It's not my idea. I've seen it on another video. But I wanted advice because I'm trying to do it for next to nothing. And I've got bits and bobs. Obviously I need to carry water in it. Do I just need a coffee kit? Do I need a kit to cook with? Do I need a pot? Do I need... That's not going to fit anyway. Around the same time I bought this. So, do I use that? With some of that? Apparently you can get a little bottle that you can put this fuel in that's safe. Can somebody tell me what it is? So I don't know. I've seen it, and I have sort of googled, but I can't find it. So I've got this idea of a grab and go kitchen cooking idea. Do I need a gas burner? If I have a gas burner, do I need a bigger shield? I've got an adapter for, you know, the taller cheap gas cylinders. I've got an adapter that goes on one of those. You can then screw a burner on. Do I have that on the side as a work surface? Do I have a piece of wood that comes out that goes on that side with a hole in it, so call that the gas bottle, with a burner on it, with probably a shield like that? Ideally I'd like a heat shield that doesn't blow off and about in the wind. So I've got plastic cup. So I want some ideas, and if anybody's made a grab and go kitchen type set, let me know what you've put in it. Maybe I should use smaller water bottles which would then stand up. The ones you get on the train are smaller, or maybe I should buy a water container. This is what's this essentially. That's about, it's about 5.5 inches high. So I've got this a grab and go, maybe just one bottle of water. A grab and go kitchen kit to make a brew, to cook a bit of food. I don't mean to cook a meal, just cook a bit of food to keep going. Got this little pot. I picked that up in the forest after somebody had been wild camping. As with the dishwasher. So I'm sure whatever it was used for is now gone. It's still got food in it actually, so I've been used for cooking. So, and that does actually fit in. So maybe I'd take that and that. Can I cook anything that, do you think? Do you know the non-stick version of that? A non-stick version would be good. I'd like to use that for lighting my fire just because it's cool. I like doing cool things. So it's just an idea. A camp, a cook box. What do they call it? Cook box? Cook box. Cook box, kitchenette, kitchen, a grab and go thing. Something I can have ready with water in it. Some sachets of coffee. I'm not bothered about doing the mocha pot or anything like that. I've got aluminium mocha pot, but if you don't use them, they go white inside. And I can't find a small stainless steel mocha pot. So I can do my coffee in that. Either grains or instant coffee. And I guess I can pack stuff in there. That's too small to put a gas canister in, probably. So it's an idea I've got building in my head. And I would like some knowledge, if you have any knowledge to share with me. I've got all these gadgety things. I've no idea what you'd cook with that. That's probably perfect. And a package of spoon to eat with. So an ammo box, camp, kitchen, ish thing, device. The reason I'd like to use an ammo box is because I can't get it back together. I think they're tactile. I think they're like you can feel its use. Hello. You can feel its use, and I like to feel stuff I'm using. I can't get it back together. I give up. Is it going to drop to this thing? Grab and go, camp kitchen. If you've made one, put me a picture on the Facebook group, Nottinghamshire Madness Facebook group. If you've got ideas what can go in it, and if you know about these little bottles, this fuel to use, because I think I feel the need to use this. A need that needs to be scratched, I guess. I've got a Trangia. I used to use these things all the time years ago. I've got a Trangia. I see all these guys using these things on YouTube. You just go like that. That's going to set the table on fire, isn't it? Because I've spilt it there. Let's move that there. Let's move that there. I've seen guys on YouTube do the touch test. I'm not going to do the touch. I can see it's burning. Not been used for a couple of years, so let's put a bit of water in it. Handles on it. Seawolf. And I'm sure, smells gorgeous. I'm sure thousands of people are saying, you don't do it like that. singeing hairs. Right, so look at that boy. I'm going to make a brew. You get the gist. I've rabbited on for long enough. Somebody said today about talking the hind legs off a donkey. Share your ideas with me, please. And thank you. Come and turn you off.